Listen, Jeffrey done broke the internet. All right, let's hear it.
The power delivery is different. What is this, the throttle?
Huh?
How is your throttle so loose like that?
It's in the clutch.
It's
The
damn show a different power delivery. Mine doesn't go as quick. I'm not racing him, y'all.
Everybody, oh, Steve still got it. Got it. He done broke the internet today.
Right, man, let's see what Redneck got going on with
Oh, let's see. Now, don't be telling me no fibs. Don't be biased. Yeah, he did. Now I know how my camera ladies feel.
Yeah, that's me.
I think he's having too much fun there.
I'm not tripping. I wouldn't. I don't know. It's gonna be close because mine doesn't take off as quick as this one does.
Yeah.
And I'm being honest.
I told Steve today we should tune it with his tune because he said, why don't you try my tune? This is stock tune.
Yeah.
The only thing changed is tires, paint, and clutch.
In my honest opinion, it's definitely a difference. I can definitely feel the power. What am I trying to say as far as it accelerates quicker than mine?
Quicker.
This throttle is soft, and if you hit it, it goes. It goes. So
Yeah.
you're doing something right. I'm gonna be honest. You're doing something right because it takes off.
I said you having too much fun down there.
Yeah, that sucker take off. So
Yeah.
Redneck, you got something. I'm done.
All right, let me ride yours.
Yeah, okay.
You want video of me here?
Yeah. I got it.
She's got yours.
Okay.
You're good. She got you on video.
All right, y'all. My boy Redneck, he finna check out that Team MSC clutch.
I never thought this day would come.
It's not tuned, but it's clutch.
Listen, the internet is gonna be broken in this video.
Yeah, it's not tuned, but it's clutch. Let's check it out.
Same
See what?
as mine.
Same as yours. See how you
What
like.
size tires?
32. Same thing. Same
Just
thing.
different tires.
Right.
Let's see.
You.
And you're in sport, same as mine?
Yeah.
You want to verify that?
No. Oh, we got sport mode.
We got sport mode. You can have this back. I love you, buddy, but you're right. It is different.
The throttle is different.
Yeah, it's like, where's the power at?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you're in sport, and so am I.
Yeah.
Oh, man. What are you doing, Johnny?
Cleaning. Listen.
Wait a minute. Are you two about to let him do that?
You want me to tell you what my boss told me, though?
Uh-oh. We don't want to know.
You don't want to ride with them folks. It's okay. I'll understand.
Hey, we're not that bad.
I thought you were gonna put wash me. R.N.G. Wash me.
Yeah, that's what you should have did. That's funny. Yeah, that,
I told you it was gonna be.
it's more snappy. It gets there a lot quicker. There's no waiting to download. No delay.
They're gonna race the other way that way.
Yeah. The thing just eats real quick, man.
Don't break it.
He's going in 4-wheel. I'm going to do 2-wheel. We're going to see if I still get it. Well, everybody. Oh, Steve still got it. Got him. One more time. 2 for 2. Listen, on the down low, I'll go ahead and send you a clutch kit.
Hey,
There ain't nothing low about that.
it's nothing. There's nothing debate. Y'all see the race. Like I said, if he win, he win. And it's something extra. You can see I get him on the takeoff, and then he just walks off from me. So we the same size, almost.
I'll be honest with you.
Wheel size. Only thing different is we clutch different. Got the R.N.G. clutch, Team MSC clutch, and it's just I take off quicker, but he has that. Y'all, as we call it, walk me down power. He walks me down.
And I got mine D2 right now. I lightened up the weight so I have more torque than I do speed.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So I was hitting rev limiter. I had to back off the throttle. Did you see me kind of slow? I let off the throttle, then it picked back up. Because
So-
it's not tuned. Didn't have, you know.
I wanted to race him. I raced him. She's definitely built. Still off my bike, but he has something extra to where he got that acceleration that takes off. But
Hey, R.N.G. clutch kits coming to Team
that's between you and the other Steve.
Both
Right,
beautiful
man.
machines, y'all. Both beautiful
He got me.
machines.
He
You
got
text
me.
Joe.
Fair and square, he got me.
You text Joe right now. He's picking that thing up tonight.
He
He's
got
gonna
me.
have it on the dyno all night.
Right. All right, baby.
I'll go record him. If he breaks it and you didn't, there's something wrong. That's it. Got it halfway there. ain't slow. Huh? It ain't slow, is it? You get that turbo spooled up, it really works.
You need four-wheel drive.
Not for what I do with it.
It needs four-wheel drive. It's got too much power.
It does. Well, back in my dirt, it hooks up. You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna blow it up because of the mud.
Let's see you drive like that in there. Let's see it.
I don't want to tear it up.
Huh?
I don't want to tear it up.
You're on video. Go break it.
I won't drive it as much like that.
Drive it. Drive it. Hey, you told me back to camp, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it low or high?
Either one. I think you did. It don't like turbos. He sure did. Huh? What'd he say?
It's that home track advantage stuff. Home track advantage. Oh.
Not too bad, is it?
Just all the switches flipping down.
What do you think of it? Other than a hiccup.
Pretty good. I just don't. You force don't handle the base.
You can't see what I'm saying? It's all over. Heck yeah. We can't be letting Jeffrey be sitting in this truck, not doing nothing. We can't be letting him sit up in here, sitting in the truck, not even recording.
It's rain, man. I had to take the whole setup down.
Yeah, I know. It sucks.
So, you like
It
the park
do
so
suck.
far?
Huh?
The park? You like the park so far?
Oh, yeah. It's fun. Yeah.
Make sure you shout that out. But that's my brother.
Oh, I will.
Things by
I
Lane.
will.
Yeah.
I will. Where's he from?
Memphis.
Is that where you...
Yeah.
Does he travel or just comes here because of you?
No, yeah, well,
Okay.
I'll take him to the park. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
He
Okay.
fell in love with his barbecue down here, so.
Okay, well.
You get something to eat? What you get?
Oh, yeah, I'm waiting on it.
What you get?
I got the brisket fries.
You'll love it.
Yum, yum. He was pulling it off the grill right now.